Today we are going to be making slime with bubble gum, Hubba Bubba, and water. That's easy. So all you have to do is get some water in a cup, then get the bubble gum and open it up. That version. You could use any version you want, but we're just going to be using this one. You can say good. So all you have to do is roll it up like this. Right there. Dip it in the water. Start to play with it. And then as you can see, it's going to be starting to form as slime. But you have to start playing with it. Yeah, it'll turn like sticky slime. So that's why slime thought went at the end. Okay, guys, so it's gonna be very plain when you get it. And then you could just add more water to it, start to play with it like that. And it'll form like this at the starting. But when you come over it, will be sticky. When you come over it and then you start to play with it, you are going to get some slime, just like this. So, Julian, do you think this is gonna work very good? Yeah. Of course.